Hello children, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today I'm here in a deep wood in order to tell you the story about 3 little pigs and big bad wolf. Are you ready to listen to it? Let's go! Once upon a time, in the wood, in the deep wood, there lived 3 little pigs.
Hello children, I am a pig. My name is Streaky Bacon Pig.
Streaky, a strisce, is my first name, è il mio primo nome. Bacon, pancetta, is my middle name. And pig is my surname, cognome, surname.
I got 2 brothers.
Yes, he has got 2 brothers. Ha 2 fratellini.
Hello children, I am his brother. My name is Spicy Sausage Pig.
Spicy, che vuol dire speziato, is my first name. Sausage, salsiccia, is my middle name. And pig is my surname, cognome.
I am happy in the wood. I play, I run, I dance.
Now, children, we introduce you Greasy.
Greasy, Greasy, come here. Where are you? Dove sei? We want to introduce you our friends.
Hey brothers, what's up?
I want to introduce you our friends. Are you ready?
Hello children, look at my sunglasses. I miei occhiali da sole. Do you like it?
Oh yes, it's nice. But now, introduce yourself to our friends.
Oh no, I am hungry. I want to eat.
Stop now, Greasy. It's not the right time. Okay, brother. I introduce myself.
My name is Greasy Ham Pig.
Greasy Ham Pig. Greasy, grassoso, is my first name, il mio primo nome. Ham, prosciutto, is my second name. And pig is my surname. E mentre i fratellini chiacchieravano fra di loro, videro da lontano the big bad wolf.
Watch out! The big bad wolf! Let's go away!
E cominciarono a scappare e tentare di seminare il lupo grande e cattivo, Big Bad Wolf. Dopo una gran corsa si fermarono in un posto che pensavano sarebbe stato più tranquillo e il fratellino disse: Now it's time to build a house. È il momento di costruire una casa.
Streaky Bacon built a house made of pickles.
Costruì una casetta fatta di mattoni. The second brother, Spicy, built
A house made of wood.
and Greasy built a house made of straw, una casetta fatta con la paglia. Ma Mr. Wolf aveva il raffreddore e cominciò a starnutire.
This is true.
And the house made of straw volò via. Greasy si precipitò verso la casa made of wood, ma il lupo bussò anche quella porta. Knock, knock, knock. Who is it? I am the big bad wolf. Sono il lupo grande e cattivo. Can you open the door? But the wolf sneezed again.
This is true.
And the house made of wood volò via. Sneezy e Spicy si rifugiarono da Streaky. Hello!
My name is Big bad wolf. Liliecciu.
Ma anche adesso gli viene da starnutire.
Liliecciu. Oh my god! Sta per cadere la nostra casa!
Ma Big Bad Wolf cercò di non far cadere the house made of bricks. E quando i maialini se ne resero conto, vennero fuori in giardino.
You are a good wolf! Yes, I am a good wolf! Yes, I am big bad wolf! Big is a first name. Bad is a second name. Wolf is my surname.
Quindi Big Bad Wolf è solo il suo nome. But Mr. Wolf is a good wolf. Il signor Wolf è un lupo buono.
So we are good friends.
Yes, we are good friends. Siamo buoni amici. So children, 3 little pigs and Big Bad Wolf lived happily ever after. Vissero tutti felici e contenti. Bye bye children. See you soon.
Bye, see you soon. Bye bye, children, see you soon.
In the wood, in the very deep wood, there are three little pigs. They are nice, they are good, they are very nice and good. Build your house, little pigs, build your house in the wood. Build your house, little pigs, build your house in the wood. The first pig makes his house of straw, but the wolf comes and blows it down. The second pig makes his house of wood,